Good morning, children. Today we are starting the video recording from the chapter Respiration in Plants from the class 11 Biology. And these recordings includes 5 videos. These 5 videos are entirely covering the chapter, half of the chapter, second half of the chapter, and we have already sent the chapter wise videos early in advance, but now this is assignment based video to be sent on 4th weeks of this October. So I am going to tell you some important concepts in the second half of the chapter. Today we know that aerobic respiration is a process by which the oxygen used up in breaking down of pyruvic acid into carbon dioxide, water and energy in the mitochondria of the cell. Simply we say aerobic respiration is the aerobically the glucose or pyruvic acid is broken down and releases carbon dioxide, water and energy in the mitochondria of the cell. But this is not the correct fact. Aerobic respiration includes many steps, nearly 4 steps. The first step of aerobic respiration takes place in the cytoplasm of cytosol, that is glycolysis, during which 1 molecule of glucose, 6 carbon, 1 molecule of glucose is broken down into 3 carbon, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. So the formation of pyruvic acid from glucose is the first step of aerobic respiration. That we say the first step is glycolysis or glycolytic pathway, in which glucose, 1 molecule of glucose is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. So that is the step. So that is the first step. Now the second step, pyruvic acid being 3 carbon compound cannot enter into mitochondria. So 3 carbon compound. It has to be made into 2 carbon compound. The process of converting 3 carbon pyruvic acid into 2 carbon compound, what? Acetyl coenzyme is called oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation. So what is the first step? I told you for glycolytic pathway or glycolysis. Glycolysis is also called EMP pathway. EMP pathway. What is the scientist name? Based from the scientist name, Embden-Meyerhof-Parnas pathway. Embden-Meyerhof-Parnas. Embden, E-M-B-D-E-N, Embden, M-E-Y-E-R-H-O-F, Meyerhof and Parnas, P-A-R-N-A-S. EMP pathway is called glycolytic pathway by which glucose, 1 molecule of glucose is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Very clear. Now the second step is oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation. What is this? In oxidative decarboxylation, the pyruvic acid, you see, this is the reaction, pyruvic acid, which is a 3 carbon compound formed in the glycolysis. Very clear. Any doubt? No doubt. So from glucose, by glycolysis, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid are formed. 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, which is a 3 carbon compound. That now convert to a 2 carbon compound of 2 molecules, acetyl coenzyme. What is formed during oxidative decarboxylation? Oxidative decarboxylation, 3 molecules of pyruvic acid is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is broken down into 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme, which is a 2 carbon compound, during which carbon dioxide is formed. So it is called decarboxylation. Why it is decarboxylation? This. Because the carbon dioxide is released from this pyruvic acid. It is called decarboxylation. Very clear. It is called oxidative decarboxylation because the entire process is driven by oxygen. Even though oxygen is not written here, these processes are controlled by oxygen driven process. And in this reaction, pyruvic acid is converted to acetylcoenzyme, which is a two carbon compound. What is happening? NAD is reduced to NADH. Two molecules of NAD is reduced to NADH. What is the full form of NAD? You have studied that. Nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide. Clear? NAD. It is a coenzyme. What is a coenzyme? In the biomolecules chapter I explained it and sent it. What is coenzyme? Coenzymes are organic molecules that support the enzyme. That is important for the enzyme actions. Coenzymes are organic molecules that support the catalytic activity of the enzyme. So, two molecules of NAD is reduced to NADH, and the enzyme is pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. This reaction conversion of pyruvic acid to acetylcoenzyme is catalyzed by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. This is dehydrogenation. Okay? Clear everybody? And this reaction in which three molecules of pyruvic acid is converted to two molecules of two carbon acetylcoenzyme, which is small compound compared to pyruvic acid. So it can readily enter into mitochondria. Mitochondrial citric acid pathway or Krebs cycle. This citric acid pathway is also called a Krebs cycle. Clear everybody? Everybody is clear? Pyruvic acid now converted. 3 carbon pyruvic acid is converted to 2 carbon acetylcoenzyme, which is small compound and can easily diffuse into the mitochondria, because Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle takes place in mitochondria. Mitochondria. So we can say the next third step is Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. And fourth, what is that? Oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation. So what are the 4 steps of the aerobic reaction, aerobic respiration? We can say first one is glycolysis or EMB pathway. Then second one is oxidative decarboxylation that we have discussed here. Now Krebs cycle that we will be discussing today, and then oxidative phosphorylation that also will be discussing today. So these are the 4 steps in the aerobic respiration. Now the second question, write note on oxidative decarboxylation. I have already explained in this reaction oxidative decarboxylation. What is that? 3 carbon pyruvic acid is converted into 2 carbon acetylcoenzyme. It needs the activity of an enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. And many coenzymes are required. NAD is a coenzyme, and also coenzyme A. Here coenzyme A is also required. So what are the coenzymes? Coenzyme A is required, NAD is also. These are the coenzymes for coenzyme A. Coenzyme A. Okay. COA means coenzyme A. And the 2 molecules of 2 carbon acetylcoenzyme is small molecule. This can easily diffuse into the mitochondria and take part in citric acid pathway or mitochondrial Krebs cycle. This is all about this initial video, and you must be able to view it and watch it and learn it. I hope you got it. Okay? Thank you.